We've been fed this idea that retirement is all about leisure and relaxation, but in reality, retirement can be a whirlwind of exhaustion and fatigue. Think about it. After years of waking up early, commuting to work, and tackling endless to-do lists, suddenly having all the time in the world can be overwhelming. Today, we'll discuss a few techniques to help you stay energized daily and confidently tackle challenges. But before we proceed, hit that subscribe button and enable the notification bell, ensuring you never miss valuable knowledge. Now let's delve into the factors that often lead to exhaustion, particularly during retirement. What do you think is the initial factor that contributes to tiredness? Excessive leisure time. One symptom of this can be excessive time spent in front of the TV. Interestingly, the average weekly TV consumption for individuals aged 65 and above is around 38 hours. It's crucial to be mindful of this habit as it has a draining effect. While indulging in a Netflix series or television content is fine, spending 6 to 8 hours daily on such activities isn't advisable. In fact, an absence of physical activity can undoubtedly result in both physical and mental weariness. It's essential to discover means of engaging your body in movement. Dedicating as little as 20 minutes daily to stepping outside can make a significant difference. A mere 10-minute walk in one direction, followed by another 10-minute walk back, can yield a noticeable change in how you feel. What occurs when you walk for 7 minutes in one direction and then return in 4 minutes? However, scientific investigations and numerous scientific analysis suggest that engaging in physical activity for 20 minutes daily can lengthen your lifespan by 5 years. Who wouldn't be interested in such an outcome, right? The next concern revolves around inadequate nutrition. Although this information might not be new to you, imagine encountering it anew. Opting for unhealthy food, consuming fast food, sugary treats, excessive dining out, or even having late-night meals can negatively affect your health. It's important to remember your preferred comfort foods and the frequency with which you turn to them, as this is also a crucial aspect to keep in mind. When we take specific foods into our system, we must truly take note of our bodily sensations. We both understand that indulging in wine or beverages and a late evening meal inevitably leads to disrupted sleep. It's imperative to avoid comfort foods such as cookies, chocolates, and fried foods. Absolutely, we are aware that avoiding wine and beverages becomes difficult in retirement, yet maintaining awareness regarding these choices and granting yourself, along with your body, intervals of relief from them imparts an undeniably positive sensation. Next, the third one is getting insufficient sleep. It's widely recognized that most individuals need 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep to attain a state of well-being and maintain sustained vitality throughout the day. Consequently, it's prudent to consider making targeted adjustments to your lifestyle. While these changes might present some initial challenges, they are well within your capability to accomplish. Moreover, it's imperative to underscore the importance of not merely focusing on the duration spent in bed, but also placing substantial importance on the quality of your sleep. The dual approach significantly improves overall health, energy levels, and wellness. The fourth point is the absence of regular habits. Throughout your professional journey, you meticulously ingrained routines into your lifestyle. You adhered to a set morning regimen, and once that was completed, you embarked on your work responsibilities with a well-structured plan. Often, your timetable was brimming with engagements, sometimes even before you stepped foot in your workplace. However, as individuals transition into retirement, the prospect of establishing a routine is frequently met with reluctance. Upon commencing a routine, even a basic one, such as consistently retiring to bed and rising in the morning at a fixed hour, no need for it to be as early as the 5 a.m. preference, individuals can experience a shift. Once a routine is integrated into their daily rhythm, starting with waking up at a consistent hour every day, gradually adding a brief 20-minute walk, maybe including some exercise, and even engaging in mindfulness exercises. This newfound routine effectively enhances their well-being during retirement, instilling a sense of vitality and contentment. Another factor contributing to your exhaustion could be related to potential health concerns you're unaware of. Regular visits to a doctor are crucial, preferably annually, to undergo checkups. Our bodies change as we age, and an underlying issue might be disrupting your sleep and causing daytime tiredness. Therefore, maintaining a routine of seeing your healthcare provider is highly emphasized. During retirement, if you're not engaging in regular physical activity and your consumption of food and beverages increases compared to before, it's likely that you'll experience weight gain. Many individuals tend to put on weight after retiring. Suddenly, you might find yourself gaining an additional 10, 15, or 20 pounds, and this gradual weight gain might go unnoticed, but it can increase the risk of developing diabetes. It's crucial to have your heart and overall health assessed by medical professionals. Regular checkups with your doctor are highly recommended. The sixth factor that can cause severe tiredness is the potential imbalance of certain medications you take. Once again, this underscores the importance of consulting your doctor. If you're experiencing sleep disturbances, weight gain, irregular bowel habits, or excessive urination, it's essential to investigate the underlying reasons. Ignoring these issues is not advisable. The key message we're emphasizing here is the importance of a proactive approach. You can initiate changes on your own. Instead of solely relying on medications prescribed by your doctor, engage in meaningful conversations with them. Discuss potential lifestyle modifications that can contribute to your overall health and well-being. Exploring ways to adopt a healthier lifestyle alongside medical interventions is crucial. Let's move on to the seventh point, dehydration. Being dehydrated can lead to fatigue, and this outcome is quite evident. Moreover, it can play a role in causing various problems, including disturbed sleep patterns, irregular heart rhythms, difficulties with maintaining proper blood pressure, potential harm to the brain, and in severe instances, even loss of life. It's entirely possible to prevent dehydration. Correcting the situation is a straightforward endeavor. All required is to intake water equivalent to half your body weight, measured in ounces. Emphasizing and making this action a priority is of utmost importance. It's totally fine to have those relaxed days. Indulging in good food and wine from time to time is alright. Catching up on TV shows in a binge-watching spree is also acceptable. However, making this a daily routine is not advisable. It's not a sustainable approach, especially if you're aiming for an ideal retirement plan. Feeling exhausted throughout the day is far from pleasant. You're familiar with those who frequently complain about their fatigue, right? They wake up and express their tiredness. By midday, they already talking about how drained they feel. Don't you find it tiresome to hear about their fatigue repeatedly? Perhaps some individuals utter it out of habit, but you are not obligated to follow. You have the power to avoid falling into that cycle. Why not give it a shot? Perhaps for a day or even an entire week, putting into practice the insights we discussed today and observing whether any noticeable changes occurred during this period. Take a moment to assess your emotions and sensations. You might actually discover that you enjoy the experience. You may establish a fresh routine that eventually becomes a regular habit. Stay tuned to our next video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.